Do you have a leak or a drip at any connection that would be like a washing machine or a hose bib for a garden hose, a dishwasher, anything that looks like that? If you have a leak there, don't go out and replace those hoses right away as your first move. Also, as your first move, don't grab your channel locks and just crank the snot out of it trying to make it tighter. Chances of you stopping the leak are small. It shouldn't be doing that already. If you're hand tight already and it's still dripping, there's something to do here. There's a go-to maneuver, and it is simply to use a silicone-based lubricant. It's the go-to thing for any kind of O-ring or gasket material because it is not petroleum based. Anything else that's similar to this, like any sort of like a white lithium grease or penetrating oil, WD-40, any of those would be petroleum based. Vaseline is petroleum based. All of these things will degrade and destroy different kinds of rubbers that O-rings are commonly made from, so that's why you don't use that. You use a silicone based lubricant, and really all you need to do is just dig that washer, the gasket out of there. That's the problem right there. So if this thing is destroyed, it'll just turn your fingers black. If that's the case, you should probably replace it. If that's not the case, then go ahead and just give it a liberal amount of this silicone-based lubricant. Pop it back in place. And now, when you tighten that on, even hand tight, without having to use the channel locks or anything like that, you'll probably find that this has resolved your leak. 9 times out of 10, this is going to resolve your leak. If you found this information helpful, just remember, I'm technically Steve. It would technically help you if you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you do, I'll see you soon.